Izinkumbi zabantu beziphume ngobuningi bazo ekuruleni eJimistini njengoba ubona abantu bahambisa izikhalo zabo bengena emafemini wonke ngokuhlukahlukana kwabo bekhala ngokuthi abantu abaqasha abantu sebenza ukwenzelela abaqasha abantu bokufika abaningi. Lokhu kuza ngesikhathi lapho khona ngomhla ka-30 kuJuni kunqamlajuqu lapho kuthiwa khona abantu bokufika kuzomela ukuthi babone ukuthi benze njani ngoba iNingizimu Afrika ibukeka njengezwe abantu abaningi benobubha bengawutholi umsebenzi. Ngingubongani Smeva Mabaso wezindaba zeDikida Film Production ngikubikela lezi ndaba ngiseJimistini eGoli.
My friend Tigamo, my friend Walina, not my friend, but my friend. No, my friend Oti. Well, you can drag it now to see Junisela Guinea before Yali. They are teaching us to tell us new one. Oh, my friend Oti. Oh, Bangia come and take a young. I didn't want to. We had to get you hotel up like Pampati. But that doesn't matter. What was true? So, one number in a bomb chest. Orosa Kupela again. Nilipia celebrate ile kagari. Riwele kakwale state na airport. Simone kuti.
Outside and the South Africans inside. Explain to me, then I can say I'm wrong. I don't know why I'm wrong.
We don't work with the where am I complete? Tell kukhuluma umuntu oyi1 wenzela kuba ezozwa ukuthi kuthiwayo. One speaker at a time. Oh, one ongahlukanisi ukuthi yini? Sondela ise sondela. Sondela.
Nane keri ka o re yena o hirile ne mola re boletse le yena o re ka Wednesday re tlo bua a hire back so nane re kopela re ba ba hirileng in 7 days re sa yeme ba tswe a hire mo rena re le bona le bona ba tle ba joine match ba tla hiriwa ko pele again what yena o hira in 7 days so aba tswe a hire no so ba tswele pele ka mmereko
Bagati, Amanda! Sir, come on to this way. The different people, we match with them. Once they see any opportunity, they don't know attend that match. They go behind our backs. That's a hypocrite. I'm a pick the baby. That's why we don't want them in here. Because they go behind our back. Meanwhile, if we work 5:30, same machine, whatever get you female.
Chief, now you want me now to sort out your issues outside. It's not my, again, it's not my duty. I'm a company that needs to operate. I need to get the right people to operate, and that's what we're doing. It's as simple as that. Now you tell me, your people, I can't do anything about this. That's not my thing.
Brother, by the way, people are complaining about it. You made wrong to take that decision, to take the people.
How did I make wrong?
What did you sign?
I did not sign anything.
Yes, I give you 7 days. During that 7 days, you replace people. Who made that thing to take that people away? After you,
so tomorrow, can I go in my office now? Hand over my choice and come hand it over to you, and you must follow my rules.
Communities are complaining. Wait. No, wait.
It's not legal. This is now you're using the community to enforce power to get me to do something.
My comrade.
It's not fair.
Uthi nande sikhulumayo angeke zayenza.
Ardumelenga ofela mphakathi nna ka lebitso ke nna Tumelo Matthews Kutumela ke modudi wa mo Dikathole ke one of community leaders ya Dikathole on this March. So today re tlile saying we really just felt the feedback. Really, some of the companies, because last Wednesday reached the memorandum. We really just feedback, they respond or respond when the memorandum was read. So really, on some of the companies they were cooperating. Some of the companies they give us challenges. So it's a very monite. Company they are promising or they to hear what because the illegal immigrants, badile according to our request, babanchi jema foreigner, ba promise or batlo hire the South Africans. So since from Mapa 6 no go na khawana. Then agiwa ne kitsa malaba ba leader. As you can see, in the reading peaceful, rena le ba maphodisa, rena le ma security. It's just a peaceful march. We are not vandalizing anything yomlu. So more really challenges on now are single twingy. Dito was simple gore di lukishe. Challenge re tlo bona gape ka usane go tswa go nna Tumelo ka lebo.
Nna ke Mandla ka lebitso le nna ke party ya peaceful march. More peaceful marching rilwanela ditokelo tsa rona South Africans. South Africans sicela ukuthi wonke lama company yakhona akhiphe ama foreigner. Mawaqeda ukukhipha ama foreigner mele baqashe abantu laba aba around community le esaroundela ama company akhona lana. Okay right sihambile sakwenza lokho sibhizi nge-feedback. Other companies bayaqasha, others they still give us that attitude leyo ukuthi hayi bona vele yabi indawo, we cannot tell them. But since we've started this, there is a progress. We are still going forward and we're not going to stop up until siqeda ngale ndaba le yethu. Ngiyabonga.